carrier can make a world of difference for best baby carrier for new parents. Infantino Flip vs Bovekeey 6-in-1 review. Today, we're comparing two top rated baby carriers, the Infantino Flip Advanced 4-in-1 and the Bovekeey 6-in-1 baby carrier. Both offer ergonomic designs, multiple carrying positions, and all-day comfort, but which one is best for you? Let's dive in. First up, we have the Infantino Flip Advanced 4-in-1 carrier. This stylish carrier is made of 80% polyester and 20% cotton, making it both breathable and durable. The plaid design adds a trendy touch, so baby wearing never looked better. This carrier is designed for babies from 8 to 32 pounds and offers 4 carrying positions. Face in with narrow seat for newborns. Face in with wide seat for more support. Face out for curious babies. Back carry for toddlers. It features an adjustable strap system, a supportive waist belt, and head support, allowing you to customize the fit for maximum comfort. Plus, it's super easy to put on and take off. Perfect for busy parents. Show a clip of a parent using it outdoors. Need to be hands-free while running errands. This affordable carrier frees up your hands while keeping your baby safe and snug. Now, let's check out the Bovekeey 6-in-1 baby carrier. This one is a bit more advanced. Designed for babies from 7 to 44 pounds. And made with a blend of cotton and polyester for added softness and durability. This carrier is ergonomically designed to support your baby's hip and spine development, ensuring a natural sitting position. The extra leg and shoulder padding, along with a foldable headrest, provides additional support and comfort. Now, let's compare the two side by side. Heavy checkmark comfort and fit. Infantino Flip is lightweight and adjustable, but Bovekeey offers extra padding and an X-shaped back design for better weight distribution. Heavy checkmark carrying positions. Infantino has 4 carrying positions, while Bovekeey also offers 4, but includes additional padding. Heavy checkmark extras and convenience. Bovekeey includes storage pockets and a windproof hood, while Infantino is simpler and easier to put on. Heavy checkmark weight limit. Infantino supports up to 32 pounds, while Bovekeey goes up to 44 pounds, making it better for toddlers. Which carrier do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another review. See you in the next video.